Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about how to make a loop. All right, so here I have a click track that I just dragged out. We're at 75 beats per minute, and we're gonna get it looping. So I'm gonna add a locator, call it loop, and then I'm gonna add a MIDI track. So you can right click, go to insert MIDI track, or you can do Shift Command T. That's what I'm gonna do. Got my MIDI track. I'm just gonna double click to make a clip. And then I'm going to go in here and double click on a spot just to make a note. We got our note. Make sure I'm outputted to my IAC driver. If you need help on how to set up your IAC driver, we have a video about that. Now I'm going to go to MIDI, click that, click on my loop, make sure my playhead is set right here, and hit play. Notice that MIDI note is now mapped. So now when we hit play, I'm going to turn off MIDI. Now when we hit play, as soon as it hits that note, it fires the loop. Right now I have it set to 1 bar. Let me switch that up, make it 2 bars. So now when it hits the note, it's going to play 2 full bars and then go back and loop. Awesome, get it set back to 1 bar. All right, let's do it again. Make a locator. Call it loop. And we can actually use our same MIDI track right here. The main thing is when we write our note, it needs to be a different note than this one. So let's scroll down because the last one I scrolled up. So what's happening when we write the MIDI is the playhead is running into that note, which is mapping it to this locator. So let's do it. Okay, click MIDI. I'm getting my playhead back here so you can watch it run into it. We're clicking on the little flag of the locator, and right as that note hits, it writes or maps that MIDI note. Let's turn off MIDI and make sure it works. 1 bar, because that's what we're set to. If you only have one loop that you're trying to make, you can do this. You have to click on this loop button, and there's your loop. But a lot of times when you're running live, you want to have multiple loops happening at once, and this is the quickest and easiest way to do it. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.